Let's use logical deduction to fill in this grid. So we have to use the numbers from 1 to 9, although note there's only 7 spaces, so we're not going to use all of them, to get the totals shown along the rows and columns. Now, for this sort of question, it's always a good idea to look at large totals or small totals because there's going to be fewer numbers that can make them. So, for example, like 7 is not a great idea to start with because you could have like 1 and 6, 2 and 4, or sorry, 2 and 5, or 3 and 4. Whereas for 4, actually, there's only one possibility, 1 and 3, because remember, we're not allowed to repeat any digits. If I put a 1 top left, then I'd have to put an 11 here to get the total of 12, which is not allowed. So actually, straight away can put in 3 here and 1 here to sort that total out, and then this must be 9. Remember, we can't repeat them, so these are now crossed out. Could, if you want, write them down and actually cross them out after you've used them. Right, I'm now going to look at this big total, 16, because I've used a 9. Okay, so I need to make up 7. But to make up 7, I'd need either 1 and 6, which I can't do because I've already used a 1, a 2 and a 5, which is going to be possible, or a 3 and a 4. That's the only way, but I've already used a 3. So I'm going to have to use a 5 and a 2. But if I use 5 here, then this would have to be 1, and I'm not allowed to reuse 1. So actually, I don't even need to complete the whole puzzle. This must be 2, and this must be 5. Let's just check that we can complete it, that it's all consistent. So we've got 1 and 2, that's going to have to be 4, and this is going to have to be 8, and then it all checks out.